Hello children, last class we are discussing about some energies. So types of energies. First energy is muscular energy. Example for muscular energy is walking. So climbing the hill, pulling, pushing an object. So these are examples for muscular energy. So this is a force is applied to an object. So by the muscles. So that is called as muscular energy. And next energy is called as what? Mechanical energy. The sum of potential energy and kinetic energy gives mechanical energy. Example for potential energy is water is stored in a dam. Kinetic energy is flowing off. That is the water is outgoing. So that is called as example for kinetic energy. The sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy gives mechanical energy. Sorry children. So this is a example for mechanical energy. And then heat energy. Where you get heat energy? So it is in the kitchen, or it may be by firewood, or it may be by sun, directly by sun, or it may be by fuel. Okay, heat energy you get from fuel also. For example, kerosene, petrol. When we burn the kerosene or petrol, that gives a heat, So this is about the heat energy. And solar energy. Sun is the main source of heat. Where we get solar energy? We get solar energy from sun. Example for solar energy in our daily life are solar cooker, solar heater, water heater, and solar stove, and some solar batteries, watches. So where we use in the watches, and lights, torches. The best example during the photosynthesis, the plants need sunlight, water, and also carbon dioxide. The plant needs solar energy while preparing the food. That process is called as what? Photosynthesis. And then the next, nowadays the solar energy is also used in the automobiles. It may be car, or it may be some two-wheelers, okay? And also it is used as a street lights, used in the street lights, and also in home appliances. Next, wind energy. So the moving air is called as wind. We get wind energy by air, okay? So example for wind energy are the moving of a kite and moving of a sailboat. These are the examples for. So the energy is using in these sailing of boat, and also movement in the kite also. So children, the windmill. So it is it is in on the sides of the roads, especially in your villages or maybe in the hill stations. So you observe a windmill. So we get electricity from that wind energy. So turbines, the rotating turbines, that rotating turbines, fan electricity siಗುತ್ತೆ. So stored energy also, that one stored energy gives the potential energy. Next, tidal energy. So tidal energy means the energy produced in the ocean. It is the biggest source of water. The energy is produced in the ocean. It is called as tidal energy. So in this class we are discussing about electric energy. Nowadays our work, that is the daily work, are being easily done using the electric energy, using electricity. So almost all the work is done by electricity. Usually the electricity we get from the hydro power stations. The one? Hydro power stations. In our Karnataka, that is Shivana Samudra, we get hydro electricity from that power station. Okay. So here is a column, which is a table from 173 page, electrical appliances and work. For example, in the kitchen, mother uses mixer grinder. So it is used with the help of electric energy. Why we have to use the mixer grinder? To grind the things, that is the food grains or food things, okay? And iron box, children. So iron box. iron box, electric energy is converted into which energy? So we get heat from that iron box, that electric energy is converted into heat energy. And mobile, nowadays we are using mobile. So one of the usages, so you are seeing the online classes from mobiles. So mobiles also giving a vision, okay? So that also it gives the entertainment. When we charge the mobile, that battery is charged by this electric energy, okay? So these are some of the examples for electric energy. Electricity is supplied to the houses and other places from electric power generating stations. Electric appliances must be used carefully also. See children, name some of the electric appliances. Refrigerator, iron box, television, computer, electric fan, washing machine, okay, and AC, oven. These are the examples for home appliances using electric energy. Okay children. Next energy is called as bioenergy. Biogas, the gas produced by the decaying of dead plants, decaying of plants and animals or agricultural waste, animal dung. So that's a waste from the plants and animals. That's a waste from animals, what we call as dung. So these are decaying of plants, ಕೊಳ್ತೋಗಿರುವಂಥ plants ಅಥವಾ animals, agricultural waste, animal dung, and also some of the waste are collected and in the abundance of air. So using the air, so all these residues are collected in a pit and then it will be converted into which gas? Biogas. The energy available from biogas is converted into electric energy. So the biogas also is converted into electric energy. How? This biogas, where we get biogas? The residues or the decaying of plants and animals, agricultural waste, from animal waste, that is the animal dung. These are collected in a pit and after there is a chemical reactions taken here. Okay, methane gas is produced. This biogas is used as a electricity. That biogas is converted into electricity. So in the home appliances also the biogas nowadays we are using. We use biogas instead of LPG cylinder, we use biogas. And also some lights and fans, electric fans, instead of that, the appliances, that is the home appliances, are also using this biogas. Okay children? This biogas is converted into which energy? Electric energy. So it is used in many works also. Bioenergy obtained from the agricultural waste, human beings to maintain healthy environment. Remaining so what gas we get, that is used for the home appliances instead of electric energy. Okay, instead of electricity, other waste, that is a solid waste, that are used as a manure for the agricultural purposes. Okay, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಗೊಬ್ಬರಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? agricultural purpose ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next energy is called as chemical energy. Children, chemical energy is produced by the chemical reactions that takes place in the substances. You know children, cell. This cell, sorry, what we are using in the torches or it may be radio. Here positive charge and negative charge. So you know this cell. So this cell is used in TV remotes, torches and some batteries and also in some radios. Some of the electric appliances, the cell is used. This cell means the reaction, the chemical reaction takes place here. Chemical energy is done with the chemical reactions. ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. And also in mobile battery, you know, so that is also one of the example. Watch cell, it is a small size, it is watch cell ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ watch cell ನ ತೆಗೆದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಟಿವಿ ರಿಮೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fuel energy. Next energy is called as fuel energy. So name some of the fuels children. So you know some fuels, petrol or it may be some diesel, like that there is a petroleum products. One more energy that is available in nature, that is called as fuel energy. So this fuel energy we get from nature. Fuel it is a nature source of energy which is combustible. Combustible ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಉರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, produce heat. ಕಂಬಸ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉರಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈರ್ವುಡ್. ಒಂದು ಸೌದೆನ ಉರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಬೆಂಕಿ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೌದೆ ಉರಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. So this heat energy and mechanical energy converted into electric energy. How? Children, you know the lamp. So and some of the things, that is when we using a firewood, you get some lighting purposes. You know, that is using a kerosene, the lamps, the hand lamps. You know, so that will be gives heat and light during the night. Okay. These are some of the examples for fuel energies. Firewood is also a fuel. So they are ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು fuel. Burning of firewood gives out what? Heat. By using this heat energy, it is possible to cook and do other works. So this firewood also help us to cook food. In the earlier days, so it is used for the cooking purposes. Fuel, the natural resources must be used moderately to protect our environment. So nowadays we are using biogas, or it may be solar energy, or it may be electric energy. Okay, or it may be LPG instead of firewood. Energy available in different forms from the nature. So there is a change of energy from one form to another. So you know the fuel energy is converted into mechanical energy. The fuel, that is the firewood, gets converted into heat energy for the cooking purposes. The mechanical energy is also converted by the fuel energy, that is to run some vehicles. Okay, so here is the activity running of petrol by car. Form of energy is chemical energy. So using fuel, form of changing of energy, mechanical energy. Here is the car. Now in car we the mechanical energy inda hege use agutte andre chemical energy inda. So you have to write in that column. The last concept of this lesson is conversion, that is the conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. Energy can either be created nor be destroyed, but it can be changed into, or it can be changed into what? One form to another. The conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be changed to one form to another. constant, remains one form to another. It cannot be destroyed, it cannot be created, but it can be changed to one form to another. Okay, one form to another. This states, this is the conservation of energy. Here is the activity from page number 179. Traveling by bicycle saved alternative energies. Okay, from using automobiles using petrol and diesel, washing clothes by hand. So avoid to use washing machine. So it is using the electricity. So washing the clothes by our hand, producing electricity from wind, cooking food using biogas instead of LPG cylinder. So like that you have to write in that column. Okay, here are some hard words. So here also one table is there, that is 180 page number. Solar water heater, biogas, solar cooker. They are already given the options for you. So write the alternative energy used in the daily life. Instead of electric geyser, you have to use solar water heater. So electric bulb, you have to use the biogas or solar cells. Okay, so like that you have to write in that column. Here are some markers. Energy, ENERGY, energy. MUSCULAR, muscular. MECHANICAL, mechanical. POTENTIA, potential. ELECTRI, CITY, electricity. PHOTO, photo. SYNTHESIS, photosynthesis. TIDAL, tidal energy. Chemicals, CHEMICALS, chemicals. Combustible, COMBUSTIBLE, combustible. Substances, SUBSTANCES, substances. Electric, ELECTRIC, electric energy. And then decaying, DECAYING, decaying. Conservation, CONSERVATION, conservation. So the conservation of energy states that the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can change to one form to another form. So this is the end of this chapter. It's amazing energy. So fill the tables in what they are given in the textbook using your pencil. Write the classworks neatly. After the question and answer, or it may be the mains, you have to draw the lines using your scale. Okay children, I will send the classworks through your WhatsApp number.